Hey GFFs, Paul Casey here, Growing Forward Services. We are in the middle of a series that I've recorded just for you because we are in this weird time where most of us are teleworking and we've got so many distractions. It's just not the office. So I have entitled this program, this free video program, Time Management When No One Is Watching. That's right, you don't have as much accountability now as you're used to, and you do have a lot of distractions. So I'm taking you through a 12-part video series, the 12 commitments of effective time managers. And we've gotten 6 of them done already. Hopefully, if you haven't gone back, you can go back and read the other ones if you haven't and view those. I'll just review the last 2 really quickly. One of them is do one thing at a time. So actually finish your tasks. Don't let all those tabs stay at the top of your computer. Like, I'm going to get back to that later. No, finish those tasks. You're going to get that sense of fulfillment and you're going to avoid multitasking. Last one that we did on episode 6 was go with your biorhythms. You know when you're freshest in the day, and so put the things that need the most creativity and the most concentration in those time slots. Maybe hard, you might have some kids running around right now, but as much as is in your power, try to put those tasks there. You'll get through things faster, and it won't feel like sloshing when you try to do it when you're exhausted. So we are ready for number 7, and number 7 is to delegate. And here's the commitment should you choose to adopt it. I will delegate or outsource anything that is not critical that only I must do. That only I must do is a critical part. So if you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, it's great to outsource those things that are just not in your sweet spot. Like for me, bookkeeping, don't like it, to be honest. I'd rather be inspiring you than actually doing my book. So I've outsourced that. Graphic design, outsourced that. Social media, outsourced a lot of that. It's really important for me to stay in my sweet spot. If you've got employees to delegate to, that's fantastic, or an assistant, because then you can offload some of your tasks, which free you up, but it also empowers them and it builds their skill set. So we want to definitely delegate things that will help grow our people and also expand your capacity. Because I put in there that only you must do, meaning that you have been promoted to a level that there's things that you can't delegate. You need to be at 30,000 feet. If you're a business owner or you're a manager, you've got to stay at 30,000 feet. So try to offload those things that other people can do relatively as good as you. And you're like, well, Paul, now forget it. I'm not going to do that. I like to own all those things. I don't really trust that people are going to do it like me. I know, I get it. I struggle with it too. But train them well enough. Give them the vision as well as the task with those delegations to make sure they know crystal clear when it's due, what your expectations are, what a win looks like when you delegate it. Well, hey, I want to give you a whole bunch of these ideas, all 12 of them actually, on a one-pager. And all you have to do is email me at growingforward@paulcasey.org. What I'll do is I'll send that to you. I'll also add you to my Target Practice e-inspiration list. That means I'm going to send you once a month some great self-leadership and leadership tips that are going to keep you pumped throughout the month and keep you growing forward. Also, I'm really excited because I want to announce today that I've got my first online video course ready to launch. It's going to be on May 5th, and so you got to sign up now. It's called Restoring My Sanity. You're like, whoa, sign me up, because I am feeling a little insane right now. Yes, this is exactly for you. It's a 10-week series, 5 video courses plus 5 of my office hours where I'm going to dialogue with you and help you apply what you have learned. We're going to dive deep into these time management principles. I want it to be transformative, so that's why we're going to stretch it the whole 10 weeks. So you can sign up for this introductory offer for $297. You're going to get these 10 weeks. You're going to get a free coaching session on the front end. You're going to get a celebration session on the end. It's going to be awesome. Go to paulcasey.org to sign up. In the meantime, keep growing forward.